Hello and welcome to my messy kitchen. Today we're gonna make my favorite raw food recipe. I don't really know that many raw food recipes, but for now it's still my favorite, okay? I have divided this video into 3 parts. Preparation part, the recipe, and the extras, okay? The extras, you don't have to do it, but it's pretty nice. Right, so let's start with the preparation.
So, the previous evening I measured up around 2.5 deciliters of raw peanuts for 1 meal, and my body weight is 90 kilos. So if you're a smaller sized human being, you could use less than that. Also, it's good to rinse the peanuts prior to soaking them, but unfortunately I forgot. Peanuts in a bowl and adding twice the amount of water. Now you can say goodnight to the peanuts and leave them for at least 6 to 8 hours. Thank you!
This is fun! Okay, so this is the recipe. It's pretty simple. Like, there are 3 main ingredients: water, soaked peanuts, and banana. And if the question comes, do you have to soak them? Pretty simple. Take some of the peanut, and I would say save something like this for the extras. Save it for the extras. So I have 2 bananas. I use, would say like 1.5. No, I'm just kidding. But actually I love bananas. 1.5, something like this is for the extras. And the amount of water. Cover the peanuts and a little bit above. So you can just add more water. Don't add too much because it would become more like a smoothie. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Oh, it's off. 2 minutes like this, 1 minute or something like this. Now we have come to the extras part. Okay, right. So honey, cardamom. Honey to extra sweet, you don't have to do it, like it's pretty sweet already, but like I like honey, so it's nice. Cardamom, it tastes good. Okay, okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more. The amount of honey, about a tablespoon, I would say. I love honey. The amount of cardamom, teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, something like this. Yum yum. The thing is that I'm so hungry. I'm like making this video. I just want to finish so I can eat. Adding the rest of the banana. You could chop it up. I usually just put it in like that. Yeah, you don't have to chop it up. I was thinking about chopping it up, but then I eat it like this. I take a spoon of that and a little bit like this. You see? You know, and then I eat it. It's really nice. This is so good. Yeah. I've been eating this so many times.